Welcome back to MVP Autos, where we bring you detailed and honest reviews of the latest cars hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern revival of a true classic. Let's see if this icon lives up to the legacy, or if it's just riding on nostalgia. Right off the bat, the exterior design of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is stunning. Volkswagen has blended retro curves with modern sleekness. The front end features thin LED headlights that echo the original's charm but with a sharper futuristic twist. A sculpted hood, wide grille and clean lines give it a sporty yet elegant stance. From the side you'll notice the low-slung profile and the smooth, uninterrupted shoulder line that connects front to rear with a subtle nod to its coupe heritage. At the back, wrap-around taillights and a hidden rear spoiler complete the look, with flush door handles and 19-inch alloy wheels adding a premium feel. Step inside, and things get even more impressive. The cabin of the new Karmann Ghia is a clear fusion of retro inspiration and high-tech execution. You're greeted with a fully digital cockpit, featuring a 12.9-inch driver display and a central 13.2-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the dash. VW's latest infotainment system is responsive, clean, and thankfully includes both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel upscale, with soft-touch suede-like inserts, real aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, with contrast stitching and integrated headrests. It's a 2+2 layout, so the rear seats are tight, but usable in a pinch for kids or extra storage. The minimalist design keeps distractions low and aesthetics high. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes with two powertrain options. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and front-wheel drive. It's quick, with 0-60 mph coming in just under 6.5 seconds. But the real star is the Ghia R-Line, which adds all-wheel drive and boosts output to 301 horsepower. With a retuned suspension and adaptive dampers, it hugs corners with confidence, while still delivering a refined ride on daily drives. The steering is sharp, braking is strong, and overall driving dynamics are far more engaging than we expected from a Volkswagen coupe. Fuel economy is solid too, with the base model delivering an estimated 29 mpg combined, while the R-Line sits closer to 25 mpg. There's also word of a hybrid variant in development, possibly arriving in 2027. Pricing starts at $38,000 for the standard trim and climbs up to around $47,000 fully loaded for the R-Line edition. With its design, features, and driving experience, the 2026 Karmann Ghia lands right between accessible sport coupe and premium grand tourer territory. It's a bold move by Volkswagen, and we think it pays off. So, is the new Karmann Ghia worth it? If you're looking for something stylish, quick, and just a bit nostalgic without sacrificing modern comfort, this car should be on your radar. Thanks for watching MVP Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews and test drives. See you in the next one.